Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video using all of the Jackie Love products I got in my mystery box, which I unboxed last week. And I'm just going to be trying to make an entire eyeshadow look with just her palette and the liquid eyeshadow I got. And I'm going to use the lashes that I got from the mystery box and her lash tweezers. This will actually be my first time using them. I don't know if people usually have like a whole set plan for their eyeshadow looks or whatnot, but I kind of just go with it. So whatever ends up coming to mind is how I'm gonna create this look. But I've already like set my face, set my eyes, primer, foundation, everything. I didn't do my brows. This is really just necessarily to focus on the eyes. Yeah, let's get into it. I really don't know how I'm gonna. So there's 4 colors in this palette, and it's the sunblock, the sunny, star, and sunset. And honestly, like, that is a whole look right there. Like, I already can say that it's a whole look. I just don't know how I'm gonna incorporate it. So I think I'm gonna start off with sunblock, because that is necessarily like such a kind of close to my skin toned color. I guess next to it doesn't really look like it, but it is. Now that we have that color in, I think I'm gonna go in with Sunny, and I'm gonna use Sunny as like another kind of just like sunblock, kind of like that same crease right here, and see how I feel like it was really pigmented when I tested it out, so let me be careful. And this time though, as I'm going on it, this time I'm gonna go inner, like closer to my the base of my eyelid. I really don't know what these pieces of your eyelid is called, but this is what I call the base. So this is we're going closer to the base. And I really like this color. I feel like you have to be careful. It is very strong, but I love it. Like, it's kind of, I had a color like it, I think in the one of her, I think it was this palette's brush, but it was like really orange. I think it was called, I forgot what it was called, but honestly, I'm a fan of like oranges. I feel like they look good on me per se with my skin tone. Making a video, to me, like, it's cool, but I'm thinking, like, how do makeup artists sit here? Like, do you sit without music and just are you supposed to talk about the makeup, talk about your day? That sounds so stupid, because I watch makeup videos all the time and I love watching them because that's just what I love to watch. But when it comes to making one myself, it's kind of like, well, what do I talk about? Am I supposed to talk about something? Next, I'm going to be going in with Sunset, and I'm going to put it on the base of my eyelid, not the inner. So like if you were to split it in half, not this part, but like here, I'm going to be putting Sunset. I like how I've not been showing the colors. That's terrible. So I went in with the sunblock, and I covered basically my whole eye, but really kind of the crease mainly. And then I used the Sunny and went in the crease but closer to the base of my eyelid. And now I'm about to take the Sunset and put that like right there on like the base of my eyelid. Still using the same Anastasia's brush. And I feel like I should wet it. I wet my brushes when I use like these kinds of colors for my eye looks. I'm just scared. I don't know what to expect. Yeah, I'm gonna wet it, and we're just gonna risk it all. A little more. Yeah. Better. I like it better. When it's wet, I feel like when your brushes are wet, they take the color more than they would if they weren't wet. So I'm gonna pack it on right here at the base. I'm gonna blend it up into the crease just so like it's more natural per se. I hope you can see that. So I didn't say I was gonna do it, but I pulled the color closer to the inner eyelid, even though I said I wasn't gonna put it there, just to like, for when I go to blend, the colors will kind of mix or melt together. I don't know what term you would use it for. But now I'm gonna go back in with Sunny, and I'm going to blend back in the crease just to make sure that those colors are like not blended. Now I use this brush for like my inner eye just because like I feel like it gets in there easier and well. And I'm gonna use the star on here. Can you see that? I'm gonna use star. Okay, well it's not gonna focus, but we're using star. So I'm gonna lightly tap some of the product. And we're gonna use this to kind of pull up the eye. So like going up. Let me see if I can. Okay, so you're going up. Yeah. So I use that and I go up and I do it all the way down. Like up, starting here and to this part. Now taking the brush, I'm gonna be doing that bottom part just to like cleanly make the eye go to get like the whole eye a part of the look. And I'm just gonna take it, not too much, but far enough to the like center. Taking that same brush, I'm gonna be using Sunny, and I'm gonna put Sunny right in the corner of the bottom of my eyes. So it kind of goes into the top here in the corner. So this is where the scary part comes in, is I use liquid eyeshadow not very often. And I want to use hers because I want to get into the habit of using them. And I really like liquid eyeshadows. It's just some liquid eyeshadows either take too long to dry, or they get so tacky that at that point it's like, do I really want to do this, or do I want to not do this? And usually I end up not doing it because I'm too scared. But I'm going to use hers. I took it out, so let's just pray for the look that I don't ruin it. I mean, not like it would entirely ruin it, but I just don't know necessarily if it's gonna fit this look. The inner, pulling up to where the sunset was, the sunset color that you see right here, we're gonna try and pull it to that. I'm like scared for no reason. I just don't want to ruin the look. Usually I would like cut crease or something, but really for this look, we are freeing it. I feel like if I cut creased it, it would probably pop a little more. But alone, it's already pop. Look. See, this is why I like liquid eyeshadows, is because they pop so well, but it's like, they're so tacky that it's almost, I don't know, they can annoy me at some point in times. I am in love. So it looks like it's dry. So I'm going to take our Sun-Kissed palette by Jackie Love, and I'm gonna take the sunblock, even though it wasn't there, and I'm going to gently take at the ends of where I put the liquid. So when I feel like when I'm tapping at it with the sun, it's kind of blending it in, making it look seamless, like there's no issue. And that's exactly what it turned out, and that's all that matters. We're almost done with the look. So far we've used both the Jackie Love Sun-Kissed palette with the 4 eyeshadow colors with the liquid eyeshadow that she has, and this one is Golden Star. I'm gonna put everything that I bought from her website in the description. I actually have a, I think the Valentine's box that I need to unbox. Maybe I'll do a video on that too, you know, maybe. So we are going to put some liner on. So I think we're done with the eyeliner, and now we're gonna go in with some mascara and curl our lashes so it looks decent with the with the lashes. So what I usually do is I usually wrap my lashes around like my mascara to curl, like to kind of get that. I feel like she's gonna watch this and be like, that's a bad idea, but I don't know, it's something I've done with all my lashes and it's always helped me. Hopefully she doesn't look at this and think I'm terrible, but so I use the Real Invisible Lash Glue for false lashes by Benefit. I don't know, it's latex free. I'm allergic to latex. Use what you use. It takes a while to dry, but it's really good because it's latex free, and I feel like I'd rather take that risk of it taking forever to dry than to take the risk of my eye swelling up. So I already have a lot to say about her lashes. First of all, I am in love with the fact that her lash bands are thick. Like my lash bands on my other lashes are thin, so I go to put the glue on, and I feel like the glue's getting like on the tips of the lashes, and then when I go to clean them, I'm like scared I'm gonna rip the lashes out, which I have. These lashes are probably the biggest lashes I've ever worn, but they, like, this is gonna sound weird, but they're fluffy. Like, they're so fluffy. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm in love with that. These lashes are kind of like lashes I would wear to prom. Like, I probably wouldn't wear these out like on every day. If Jackie does, like, go her, I would too. Just since I'm in high school, I feel like if I wore these to school, I'd probably be questioned, or people would probably look at me funny. Not that I care. That's not what I'm trying to get at, but like, I would have to do a bigger wing because, you know, when I was younger, I did really big wings and I thought they were way too big. But with these lashes, you can barely see my wing. Like, you can see, oh my god. I'm in love with these. They make me feel so good about myself too. I am in love. Like, my hair's a mess. That was a bad idea. Should have left it back. Oh my gosh. Who is she? Who is she? These are so cute. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Oh, look at the glue on my hand. So, I had to record on my phone because it died. So, here we are making the outro. I really hope you guys liked this video. Also, make sure to check out Jackie's channel, Jackie's Instagram, everything. Please go check out her website. Look, this was the best purchase I've ever made, and I'm not even joking. Like, I didn't make it, my mom bought it, but still, like, this is unreal. Like, I feel like a whole different person. Like, when I put lashes on, especially, lashes make me feel like so good about myself, and I take them off and I'm like a rat. So also, if you like this video, let me know if I should do more makeup videos, because honestly, it's something I really like to do, but not necessarily something I think others would like to see me do. But yeah, I will see you guys next week.